Hey children, today you are going to see about chapter 3, data handling. You must have studied data handling in your 6th standard, and so you should be knowing what is data. Data is just a piece of information. The definition of data: the information collected in the form of numbers is called data. For example, number of students in your class or the marks you have scored in your PA1, that also can be considered as a data. The temperature in the state on daily basis. Now, what is data handling? We need to collect, you are collecting all this data, organizing it and representing the data to draw inferences. Inferences in the sense conclusions. So, your class teacher may collect all your data, all your PA1 marks to find out who has scored the highest mark and who has scored the first rank in the class, or to find out who is the slow learner of the class. So, that part of thing is called as data handling. So, this is called as data handling. Data mostly available to us in an unorganized form is called raw data or primary data. So we need not bother more about this, and I am going to go for the how to represent the data. There are few ways how you can represent data. The first thing is arithmetic mean or mean. This is nothing but the average which you would have learned in your smaller classes, in your primary sections. You will add all the values given and divide it by the number of values given. That is called as average. Arithmetic mean is nothing but the average of the number of observations. So you represent an arithmetic mean by x and a dash on its top. So we call it as x bar x. That is a symbol of representing arithmetic mean. Formula: sum of all observations. So whatever values are given, for example, if you are given the marks of 5 students, you will add all the marks of the 5 students and divide it by the number of observations. Number of observation is how many students marks you have got. You have got 5 students marks. So you will divide it by the 5 divided by 5. So the total of the marks divided by 5. In other words, sum of all observations divided by number of observations. This is the formula to find out mean. Next comes the range. Range is nothing but the highest value minus lowest value. The difference between the highest and the lowest observation. So range is equal to highest value minus lowest value. This is the formula for range. Median: the middle value of a given number of observations. So whatever observations is given, for example, they have given you 5 children marks, you are going to find out the middle value of the marks. So that is called as median. You have a formula to find out median. Median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation, where n represent the number of observation. As I said, 5 students marks, so the n will take the value 5. And the main thing what you have to do is for median is you have to arrange the data either in ascending or descending order. So you can arrange the given data in ascending order or descending order, then go in for calculating the value of median. So median n, if it is going to be odd, this is a formula you are going to use. Odd formula this is. For the even numbers, I will tell you what is odd and what is even when I do the sums in the exercise. So if you have odd value, you will use the formula. Most probably you are not going to be given even values. If even values comes, we will see. Then the next one is mode. The number of observation which occurs more frequently. Certain things you can see, the same marks may be scored by 6 students. So how many times a number gets repeated again and again, that will be your mode.